In this video, I'll show you how to create object animation in a circular orbit using Camtasia. While Camtasia doesn't have a built-in tool for circular motion, you can still achieve this effect with some keyframe adjustments. First, we'll start by creating circular shapes. Then, duplicate the small circle and move it accordingly to position it for the orbit. Next, group the two small circle shapes together. Now, we'll add a custom animation to the group. Once that's done, select the In keyframe and rotate the group 360 degrees along the Z-axis. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.